Welcome to VSub Review. This powerful AI video generator helps you create videos such as fake text message videos, quiz videos, would you rather challenges, AI videos, and Reddit story videos all in seconds. Once you create an account, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can select various video styles, fake text messages, AI video generation, quizzes, would you rather videos, split screen videos, Reddit stories, and videos with captions. I go to AI video here, and these are the different templates: cinematic, anime, cartoon 3D, cinematic, dark, anime, dark, comic, cartoon 2D, solar punk, and psychedelic art. So in this example, I'm going to go with cinematic dark. I'm going to scroll down here. Now for your transcript, you can have it generate a script for you. You can also change the voices using 11 Labs or OpenAI. There's a lot of voices here. You can go ahead and preview them to see which ones you like. You can make it auto remove silence. You can also change it from portrait or landscape. Portrait is obviously for short form content. Landscape is for YouTube videos. You can change the image duration if you want to be faster or slower, and you can also generate a script. So you can choose from all of these different niches here. So you can go with health, celebrities, stoicism, travel, historical facts, crime, creepypasta. I'm going to go with motivation. So this is going to just generate me a script using AI for a motivational video. As you can see, the script is already generated. All I need to do is click on use this script. It's going to project that over here for me. And all I need to do then is click on continue, and it's going to generate this AI video for me. And there we go. There's the video. Quick and easy with VSub. Let's dive into how you can easily create a fake text video using VSub. Click on fake text to start creating your video. Choose any template you like. I'm going with this one. Scroll down and click on use sample data to get started. Now, remove the existing messages and paste in the dialogues you generated from ChatGPT or another AI. Continue this until your entire script is covered. If you need to add +D dialogue, click add right or add left. If you want to emphasize any text, simply turn on the emphasize option. This helps highlight important parts of the conversation. Now let's go to the settings tab and set up the voiceovers. You can use 11 Labs voices or OpenAI voice actors to bring your characters to life. After selecting the voices, name the character who will receive the text, in this case the wife. You can also upload a profile picture here. Once you're done, hit the continue button and VSub will finalize your video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on AI tools. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.